This man knows that the judges have their work cut out for them.
Yeah, definitely do.
And this is
Close
Barios,
rounds.
excuse me, this is Barios' moment to listen to his corner and his trainer Bob Santos and let respect go out the window and let your hands go.
Really important 3 rounds for both sides. Really close fight, really close rounds. Manny Pacquiao doing exactly what
There we
he
go.
used to do, but then
Needs
again,
to do
Barios.
this. That's the best combination we've seen from Mario Barios as Pacquiao touches his gloves.
And that is there all the time. Every time that Manny Pacquiao takes that first step in, he's got his guard open. Barios has got to take the advantage and let those hands go.
Like that. He
Yes.
spits the guard with the jab. And now what do you do behind it? A left hook, a triple left hook from Mario Barios.
This is exactly what you need to do when you're the younger, taller, bigger fighter.
Simple as that. Manny Pacquiao took a step back, he said something, and he stopped the momentum of Barios.
That was a short right hook from Manny Pacquiao. Now he's starting to dart in. That's good for him, but it also creates openings for Mario Barios, like that one with the left hook and the right downstairs.
That was a good body shot.
Give and take action here in round 11.
There's that lead right from Mario Barios, switching things up, and now he's got Pacquiao on the back foot.
No matter how this fight ends, this is the 11th round, and to be seen Manny Pacquiao, the 46